Get acquainted with the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enter the artful world of premium luxury and muscular performance when you take the wheel of this GLC 300. SUV capability, chiseled looks, and the latest tech blend with exquisite refinement and superb engineering to bring you a superlative automobile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim. Take confidence along on every drive. Get into the GLC 300 SUV. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.